Hey my pretties, welcome back to my channel. So I just was about to walk out the door. I need to go run an errand real quick. I'll talk about that in a different video. But I was leaving and I didn't even know, because today is Sunday. So this was on my doorstep, my Boxycharm box. And I know it wasn't there last night because I came home I had to do some stuff yesterday and I came home late and it wasn't there. So they delivered this on a Sunday, which is kind of cool. But yeah, so I just want to get this open and share it with you guys real quick before I start my day. I just recorded a different video. So I don't know if this is going up first or after, but that's why you see the same shirt, my little yawn shirt from, where'd I get this? Walmart. But anyway, so I noticed this month too, that my Boxycharm it charged me $27. And I was like, hold on, like, when did that happen? So I went on my little account, my Boxycharm account, and it said 25. And I kind of vaguely remember some kind of charge like going up, like if you wanted to go to the next box. Not the Boxy Luxe, but it was another something that they're doing. And I can't remember, but I'm like just kind of confused at this moment, because I was like, hold on, did I pay 25 or 27? Because my thing said 25, my bank account said 27. So I'm going to look into that. But if that happened to you, let me know. Or if you know what the extra charge is, let me know, because right now I'm drawing a blank. But I'm not going to go on and on about that. I did just get it open. So this is the little card that you would get. And it tells you what you got, how much it is, or whatnot. I'm not going to look at that just yet. Okay, so the first thing I see is some concealer. It's like a little sampler, and it's by Pretty Vulgar. I do like Pretty Vulgar products. That is, come on, focus. That is what that looks like. Little White Lies, Tiptoe Over the Line, The Middle Ground, and Midnight Mystic. I don't really use concealers, so I'll put this to the side. I'll give that to somebody that I know. The next thing that I see are these Lily lashes. These are actually really pretty. This, I guess, is Boxy, I don't know if it's Boxycharm brand or what. I will look at the prices when I'm done. So these are really, really pretty. They seem a little dramatic, maybe a little too dramatic for me. I like mine to have that like natural look, because I don't wear them that often anyway. But I will give those a try. Then I see Dose of Color, and this is going to be a liquid matte lipstick in the color Nude Mood. Right there. Let's just see. I'm not big on nude lipsticks either. So I do like the Dose of Colors. They're really, really pigmented. That is what the packaging looks like. So let's see real quick. And it's just a nude color, which I don't really use. And that's what that one looks like. So put that right back in there. And I'm going kind of quick because, like I said, I just filmed something else and I have to leave out the door. The next items, oh, okay. I remember, did I get an email about picking something? I think I did. I don't know. I be doing so much, you guys. I be having so much going on. I forget. These brushes came in this little packet, right, or a little envelope thingy right here. And this is what they look like. Look at that. These are fancy. Let me see. There they are. I have never had a brush that looked like that. Look at the handle right here. Those are kind of cool. Those are cool. These are cool. I feel like just, I don't know. Oh, and they feel so nice. I like those. Okay, I'm going to tell you guys about them in just a second. I'm just trying to pull out everything that's in here. I see two more things. So this one, Kypris, Caprice or Kypris or something like that. The box is really, really pretty. Let me see. This is made exclusively for Boxycharm. Apply several drops of antioxidant dew to clean skin morning and night for best results, combined with their brand Beauty Elixir. Okay, so this is an antioxidant dew quench and glow serum. All right, let's see what the bottle looks like. It's not as cute as the box. Why was I expecting like a clear glass? I mean, this is pretty. I love the blue. I love it. It has the gold on the front, but I don't know why I was just imagining it to be a clear bottle with gold all over it, kind of like the packaging, kind of like that. But this is really nice. Okay, it has a seal on it. I'm not gonna break the seal because I actually don't need this, and so I'll probably pass this on to my best friend, or I'll probably, I don't know, do something with that, but I'm not gonna break the seal on that. And then the last thing is by Dominique Cosmetics, and it's Celestial Thunder. Looks like that. These colors are pretty. Oh my gosh. It does have a mirror right here on this side, and these are the colors. Let me turn it around, hold on. Those are the colors. Really, really pretty. Eternal Light, Fireball, Black Matter, Zero Gravity, Mystic Ice. Ooh, look at that. This Mystic Ice is pretty. Let's see. One swipe, that's what that looks like. Let me try this Eternal Light up here. It looks better like that. And then I want to try this one. Those are really pretty. This Black Matter in the middle, let me try this one. It looks black, but then it looks purple in person. Yeah, it has like a purple look to it, and it's beautiful. It's like a galaxy purple, like a black purple. It's really, really pretty. Okay, I don't have anything by this brand, so I'm excited by that. So let me just jump in and tell you real quick. Okay, so the eyeshadow palette retails for $35. It says it's an explosion of vivid pigments, shadows, and glittery foils with 8 uniquely formulated shadows for a pop of electric color. $35. The lashes, faux mink, glamorous pair of handcrafted false eyelashes that flawlessly blend in with your natural lashes, instantly adding length, volume, and definition. These retail for $25. This right here, the antioxidant dew, it lavishes skin nurturing amino acids, an array of soothing botanicals. It's used as a lightweight hydrator or as a layering piece in your skincare wardrobe. Whoa. This retails for $90. Now, I would say this box only cost you $21, but as of right now, I think it cost me $27. But for $90 plus the other 3, not bad. This liquid matte lipstick, we know about this, $18. And what was the last? Oh, the brushes. The brushes. Create your favorite looks with the total luxury. In total luxury with our first ever Boxycharm branded brush set. The large multi-purpose powder brush is perfect for liquids, creams, powders, or mineral products, and the foundation brush has an oval base to help with precise foundation placement and seamless blending. These ultra soft brushes are handcrafted, synthetic, and cruelty free. These retail for $35. So that's really cool. Now, what I do also see is there is a 15% off your next purchase over $80 on a site called Dragon Beauty right here. So they're giving you a 15% off coupon on your purchase of $80 or more. So that's also going to be in your box. And then at the bottom, there's another discount code for Natasha Denona Safari Palette, Sunset Palette, or Eyeshadow Palette 28. And you'll get 30% off of that with the code that you're going to get in here. I'll put these codes down at the bottom. I won't be purchasing anything, but if you guys can use that code, then I will put that down in the bottom. Oh, they got some more codes. Up to 80% off Boxy. Oh, this is for Boxy Luxe and Boxy Pop-Up. Any codes that I have in this box, I will link them at the bottom for you guys in case you want to purchase anything. And then also, if you're not signed up to Boxycharm, I'm trying to put these brushes back. If you're not signed up to Boxycharm, I do have a discount code. Do I have a discount code? No, it's not a discount code. I do have a code or a link down at the bottom for you to click to go sign up for your own Boxycharm. It is a really nice box. Like I said, I'm a little confused on the price as of right this moment. It's still under $30, but if you're looking for a subscription, couldn't think. If you're looking for a subscription box that has full-size products, really nice products for under $30, I'll say that for right now, then you'll definitely want to check into Boxycharm. And that's gonna be it. I gotta go wash my hands. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you guys real soon in my next one. Bye.